Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my summer beach layered card. How fun is that front cover panel? You've got the waves there on the bottom, that fun beach scene with the Hello Summer sentiment there in the front. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card has a lot of different layers, but don't worry, it comes together really easily. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewifecom/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to some of the score lines to do, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon to drop down the layers and highlight the score lines. Come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Now we need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Now that those two pieces have been converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything all cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer our front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of this together, But from back to front, we're going to start with the light beige color, then brown, then light green, dark green, light blue, darker blue, and then this rust color. Now I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our fun front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so that everything can go ahead and dry. Now let's mat and layer our messaging panel. We can set that to the side for just a minute. Now let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Now let's take our messaging panel and attach that to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close that card up. And now we can attach our front cover panel. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that around and place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Now this does have a decent amount of layers to it, so you might want to go ahead and add that to the envelope. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this card to put together? I know there's a lot of layers, but my goodness, I love the way that that front cover panel looks. So much fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.